So today we have a 2020 Shelby GT500 Coupe. And this one comes in Ford Performance Blue. And the interior consists of the ebony leather Recaros. And you have a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, made it to a Tremec 7-speed, dual clutch automatic transmission. And there's your front end there, very mean and aggressive with your signature daytime running lights. Then down here, you have your 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, along with your Brembo brakes. And you have passive keyless entry. And there are the controls for your power door locks, windows, mirrors. And there's your driver's seat there. Let's check out the trunk space. That exhaust rumble is incredible. And this one has the upgraded B&O sound system, which includes that subwoofer there. And there's your passenger seat there. It's just a beautiful car. And this one has less than 300 miles on it. Gonna go ahead and to open the hood, you just press these buttons here, and then there's that 5.2-liter supercharged V8. Hop in here. Nice suede and leather wrap steering wheel here. And there are your gauges for your oil. And down here you have a navigation system. You have AM, FM, XM radio, along with Bluetooth audio, and you even get a CD drive in this one as well. And there are your climate controls on the screen. And there's your backup camera there. And you also get your Apple CarPlay as well. But there are the hand controls for your dual zone automatic climate. And then down here you can toggle your exhaust. You have normal, sport, track. Then you have your quiet mode. I'll leave it in sport for now. And then you have your drive modes. So you have normal, sport, track, drag strip. And then for your 7-speed, you have this rotary shifter, so you just hit the brake, turn, reverse, neutral, drive, and then press that for your manual mode, and you can use the paddle shifters. And then you have your electronic parking brake here. You could pull up to engage, push down to disengage. And you have a little cubby here with the USB port in the center console. And there's a view of the back seat. It's your universal garage door transmitter. And we're gonna, as you can see in the glove box, got room there along with the window sticker. And then on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your volume controls up here, trackless controls. And then down here, you can adjust the steering as well as the suspension. And then over here on the right side, you can go through your gauge cluster functions. Then you have your Bluetooth controls here. Then you can pull up the nav. And then your music and all that. Then you have the Cobra button, which you can go through your track apps, your mode, performance shift indicator, all that. So really neat how detailed you can get with how you want to drive your car. There's your push button start there. Finally, there's your key fob with remote start. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this GT500 out on the road for a quick test drive. So right off the bat, this thing is just, it has so much power. I can barely tap the throttle before it tries to go sideways. And I have it in sport mode now, which is why it's shifting like it is, but we're gonna give it a little throttle here. I mean, the thing's just got so much power, it can't even, I mean, you can't get any traction, really, but it's just so much fun. Crazy fast. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is fantastic. Goodness. All right, I'm gonna cut it out. We're gonna put it back in a normal mode. And I'm also gonna put the steering in comfort as well as the suspension. Well, I'm putting the suspension in normal. You have normal and then your sport, but already when you put it in normal, the ride just becomes a lot less bouncy. I mean, it's still bouncy and that's how you want it, but it drives normal now. But that exhaust sound and just the overall driving experience is, I mean, nothing can really beat that, honestly. And I've driven a lot of cars, but that's just, Gonna put it in the manual mode now. And I still have it in normal, I just want to see how quickly it shifts. Oh, wow. I mean, it's instantaneous. Oh my goodness. And you have the option to dampen your exhaust if you want to. So this is the quiet mode here. And then we're gonna put in a track mode so you can see the difference. It literally rattles the car. That's crazy. But I mean, this is a sports car, so as you can probably tell by my camera, it is quite shaky. But these Recaro seats are very supportive, and it really makes the drive not hurt. But I mean, this is a track car, so I mean, that's just an added bonus. You don't get this to be comfortable while you're driving it. But this has been quite a treat. It's just so fast. And like I said, the overall driving experience is bar none. I've had very few driving experiences come close to this. It's just, it just feels so great. You got a supercharged 5.2 liter. The paddle shifters they're so quick. And you put your foot down, and like most Mustangs, it wants to just go out of control, but the traction control is just really, really great. And it does, you know, the best that you can in keeping it in a straight line. And this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2020 Shelby GT500.